Hello students, today we are going to see a very easy and interesting chapter here, right? So that's a probability. So when I say probability, I have taken 3 examples randomly here. Tomorrow will be a bright sunny day. When I'm saying tomorrow will be a bright sunny day, can I be dead sure that it will be a bright sunny day? No, no one can be very sure about the weather forecasting or something. So here there is a chance to be a bright sunny day right here. Similarly, a coin tossing. So what is this? I cannot be sure, definitely the head will appear. So again there is a I'm not sure, that is I'm uncertain about it. India will win the match today. Again I'm not sure, there is a chance for the India to win the match here. So we have certain words, most probably, chances, uncertainty, where we are not sure about it. Those all said to be a probability, we can find it out here. So probability is the study of chance here, where we are not sure. It indicates the chance of something happening here. Okay dear, we are. Now what you can see on the screen here, yes, there is a dice, coin and a cards here, pack of cards. So see, when I am rolling a die, can you be sure what all the outcomes can come? No. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where we know all the possibilities, but which will come, that we don't know, which will appear on the face, right? So similarly with the coins also, head or a tail will come, but we are not certain that definitely head will come or a tail here. Similarly with the pack of cards. So we are seeing a random experiments, that is possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty. Clear? Now we'll move to the next one here. That is, see here, the die. As I said, when we are rolling a die, see, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, the head will be, what is this? Head or a tail will come here. This is said to be outcomes or the results or the possibilities. So this is said to be what? Outcomes here. रिजल्ट ऑफ अ रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट, जो भी एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं उसमें क्या क्या आ सकता है. Okay, even for the cards also, that is what you will have. We have a cards, that is in a card we have a 52 cards, you know, and 52 is equally divided, that is 26, and 26 red cards and 26 black cards. Similarly, again 26 cards has been divided into 2 parts, that is 13 diamond cards, 13 heart cards, 13 against black spade cards and 13 club cards here. We should know this one because the certain questions will be asked related to this here. Okay, so this is also a result of a random experiment of a card here. Yes, now we will move to the exercise of the probability. We have seen about random experiments, outcomes, sample space, sample points, everything here. So now you all very clear how to proceed with the sums here, right? So now the first practice set 5.1 here, how many possibilities? So I'll write it, this is practice set 5.1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? When it is asked possibilities, what is the other name? It is outcomes, or we can say in simple words, it's a sample space. So here Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. What all the places here mentioned? Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran and Anandavan. So now how many places we can see it? All are belong to Maharashtra here. 1, 2, these 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many possibilities? She is planning to visit one of them, but we don't know which one. So that's the reason all the possibilities are there. So we will write it. What they asked, how many possibilities? There are 8 possibilities. So we'll say there are 8 possibilities here. Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. Second questions. Any day of a week is to be selected randomly. So when we say any day, what all it can be? It can be Sunday, it can be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So how many days in a week? We can directly write it, but just for the explanation I am giving here. So what is the possibilities here? There are 7 possibilities. I hope this is clear. There are 7 possibilities. Let's move to the next one. Next question. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. That means we are very clear how many cards are there in a pack? 52. So out of these 52, any card can be selected. So how many possibilities are there? There are 52 possibilities. Okay, so we are writing there are 52 possibilities. Okay, this is asked for the numbers, so we are writing it like this. Next question. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly here. So it is told 10 to 20. When we say 10 to 20, we immediately say 10 cards, but not like that. We have to think and tell. So we are coming from 10. We have to include. From means 10 को भी लेना है. 10 to 20. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it comes down 11 cards. So how many possibilities? So out of these 11 cards, one card will be selected. So we will write there are 50, what is this? 11 possibilities. So we are writing there are 11 possibilities. So you have to understand the question very well, because if it is asked between 10 to 20, that means we will consider leaving this 10 and 20. If it is said from, then we have to include this 10 also and this 20 also within that while counting.